Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Planter, Garden Planner, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Planter is a garden planning app designed to help users map out raised bed gardens, organize plant layouts, and track planting schedules. It provides a drag-and-drop grid where you can place vegetables, herbs, and fruits, see spacing requirements, and view companion and combative planting guidance. The app is available on iOS and Android and is commonly used by home gardeners who want a visual, structured way to plan their growing season. The app's main feature is its visual garden layout tool. You select your bed size, drag plants into place, and the app automatically shows spacing, recommended pairings, and conflicts. Planter also includes planting date estimates based on frost dates, along with a plant database covering over 100 varieties. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its intuitive layout system, helpful companion planting indicators, and visual design that makes it easy to plan raised beds accurately. The scheduling tools and plant information also help beginners understand when and how to plant different crops. However, there are some drawbacks. Several features, including advanced tracking and additional plant data, require a subscription. Some users also mention that the layout system can feel limited for very large gardens, and custom plants may require extra setup. In addition, offline functionality is limited, which can be inconvenient for gardening areas without stable connectivity. In summary, the Planter app may be worth using if you want a clear, visual way to plan your raised bed garden, track planting schedules, and access companion planting guidance. However, if you need full customization, offline use, or large-scale garden planning without subscription limits, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.